Vendor credits. Learn how to record and apply vendor credits in Zoho Books when suppliers issue credit notes or refunds. This tutorial explains how to track credits, apply them to bills, and maintain accurate accounts payable records. Properly managing vendor credits helps reduce errors, improve cash flow management, and ensures your financial statements stay accurate. You can create vendor credits in two methods: direct vendor credit method and convert from a bill. Let's discuss how to create a vendor credit. You can select Purchases module, select Vendor Credits. You can view the life cycle of a vendor credit: product returned or cancelled, credit not received, record vendor credits. You can create mark as open and apply to future bills or record refunds. You can create a new vendor credits by clicking this new button or by clicking this plus mark. Select the vendor. You can set up the credit note number. Select the date. You can enter subject if available. You can select return item. Enter the rate. If tax is available, you can select the tax. And if you want to add more lines, you can add lines. And you can save as draft or you can save as open. Like that, you can create a vendor credit.